Now this illustration deals with different size conductors selected from table 314.16b and counted by 314.16b1 through b5. And all we're dealing with here is conductors in the box. But the question is, what size junction box is required to contain the following different size conductors? 16 number 10s. Each number 10 is good for 2.5. We have 16 of them, 40 cubic inch. We have 20 number 14s, 2 cubic inches each. 20 of those, 40. We have 24 number 12s. Each one is good for 2.25 times 24, 54 cubic inch. We have 10 number 6s, 5 cubic inch, times 10, we come up with 50 cubic inch. And when we total everything, is 184 cubic inches. Now, each one of those cubic inch ratings for each conductor, remember, is selected from our table 314.16b, as in boy. Now, selecting the box, the dimension or the dimensions of the junction box has to be greater than 184 cubic inch. So 8 by 6 by 4, we come up with 192 cubic inch. Will that house 184? Absolutely. So the solution is then, and the answer is a 8 by 6 by 4 junction box is required to house 184 cubic inch. So that's what this illustration 12-16b is illustrating, the procedure to determine by calculation in cubic inch ratings what size box that we must select.